Get a glass and fill it water. Get some salt and dissolve in a glass. Now get a battery and drop it to glass. After a little while you can see that the air bubbles are coming out from the negative terminal of the battery. Normal water. Salt water. First drop of food coloring into regular water. Now drop it salt water. You can see the food coloring spreads and moves downward in regular water, while in a salt water, it moves downward uniformly. Take a plate, ice cube, salt. Add salt in top of ice cube. Food coloring. Get a paper, ice cube. Now get small rope. Add salt top of ice cube. You can see the rope and ice cube are connected.